Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the game Marvel Strike Force. So this is for iPhone and Android. So as you can see, I'm not that rich, but in the mod menu, I can actually get free cores. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on just to show you guys that it actually works. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So if you play Marvel Strike Force and you're broke, I'm changing your life. So as you can see, our power cores should now start increasing. I currently got 2,879. So let's see what happens if they go up or if they stay where they are. And bang, guys, as you can see, they are increasing. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. Works on iOS and Android. So if you're broke, guys, you are going to be excited by this because Marvel Strike Force is now for you. You're no longer fighting against it because what was happening was you were paying all this money to have power cores and you're just wasting money. So go to tweakmod.com and type in Marvel, and if I could spell it, here it is. So press install, and before the game does download, the modded game, there is going to be one more step. So this is going to be a verification. It's very easy. Basically, what we're going to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. So they're going to be 100% free apps from the real app store. So no third-party download. So you guys are going to be all set. So let's just wait for this to finish here. As you can see, so yeah, this is super weird because a lot of people are like hating on me and telling me like, oh, there's no way to get a Marvel Strike Force hack, but yes, there actually is. You just need to find the working website, which in our case is going to be tweakmod.com. So anyway, now we just need to download some of these apps. So for instance, we got Travel Town, tells me to reach level 9, so I just press continue, download it, all done. Or I could do TikTok, down and run for 3 days. So that's too long, I can't do that one. Rewarded Play says install but and play 2 games. Cash them all, you got to get 15,000 coins. So there is a video to watch as well, but that's how I get the Marvel Strike Force hack. Unlimited power cores, super cool, guys, fully works. So be sure to try it out, and peace out, brothers.